Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 6 divided 2 bracket 6 minus 3. So let's start with today's video solution. 6 divided 2 bracket 6 minus 3. Many people fail to solve because they mess up this simple calculation by solving 6 minus 3 as 3 and 2 times 3 as 6 and 6 divided by 6 as 1, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When an expression gives multiple operation like division, bracket, in bracket there is a subtraction, then you have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then order of, then division, multiplication, both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first solve the parenthesis. This bracket 6 minus 3 as 3. 6 divided 2 multiply 3. Now the question arises here that division and multiplication both have same priority, but people forget what? We have to solve from left to right. So it's 6 divided by 2 times 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So what is the correct answer? 9, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.